Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 20% and Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. Now, long press anywhere on the home screen to reveal layout options, or open settings and tap home screen directly. This gives the control you need. Once done, consider backing up the current layout with themes or My Cloud so you can restore later. Make sure to keep gestures and lock screen settings in mind, because changing the home screen can alter those behaviors. You should now adjust layout and visuals. Tap home screen settings and pick grid size, for example 4x5 for larger icons or 5x6 for denser layout, then set icon size and label visibility. If you prefer an app drawer, toggle it on here, otherwise keep all apps on the home screens. Once chosen, apply an icon pack or theme from themes to keep everything consistent. Doing this changes how you interact with apps, so make deliberate choices rather than random tweaks. Finish by arranging icons, creating folders, and placing widgets where they make sense. You control ergonomics by grouping similar apps and using one or two key widgets. If changes don't appear, force close the launcher or reboot the phone. This often resolves temporary glitches. If problems persist, go to Apps Manage Apps Launcher Clear Cache or Reset Settings to restore defaults. As a final tip, keep a backup of themes so you can quickly return to a known good configuration if something goes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.